everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm D Hicks. Today I'll be reviewing the Cricket wireless version of the LG Stylo 2. Let's get started. Overall, this phone is the same size as the predecessor, but it's just thinner. This phone is gray in color. Alright. I'm not going to go into unboxing or anything. I'm just going to go into the features of this phone. I tap to wake it up. Go into the lock screen. We're going to go into the lock screen settings by long pressing on recents. Okay, here we go. Right now I have it in a select screen lock. I have it in the pattern. Click on that. Wrong pattern. Okay, you have 6 choices. You can either have no lock screen, a swipe lock screen, knock code, pattern, pin, a password. There's another feature that goes along with your what kind of lock screen you have. It's smart lock. It keep your phone unlocked with trusted device or place. Okay, you have 5 choices by trusted devices, trusted places, trusted face, trusted voice, or on body detection. I currently have it in trusted places, but right now it's not active because I don't have it on the GPS. If you have the GPS on, it'll open unlocked. Okay, you have a choice to have your pattern visible or not by clicking on this button here. Also, you can change the wallpaper here. You have a choice to go into wallpaper gallery or the gallery. And also you can have your contact information here. You can put all the information in. You turn it on, you have it on the lock screen. You enter your information here and you click save. Also, you can set your lock screen to have a timer, to time out. You have 8 choices to choose from here. You pick the one you want and just click on it and it locked in. Also, the power key can instantly lock the phone. If you want that, you can just turn this on or off. These are the features of the lock screen. Now we're going to talk about the home screen. I'm currently in the main home screen of the LG Stylo. It has 2 different home screens. It has one that's called Easy Home. Right now I'm in the home. It's customizable sort. You can go into the home screen settings here. This where you can select the home screen you want. You can either select home, easy home, and if you have other launchers on board, you can select one of the others. And right now we're in home. Yeah, you can change the wallpaper here. You can change the swipe effects. You can change the slide, breeze, panorama, carousel. Then press OK. And here you can sort the apps by alphabetically, and it should sort your app alphabetically by name. And you can change the grid pattern of your screen. You have 3 choices: 4x4, 4x5, 5x5, and whatever you choose, you just choose OK. And you can hide apps here. Okay, we're going to go back to the home screen. And as you can see, it has changed everything in alphabetical order. But I don't like everything on the home screen like this, but I'm going to change this around and put them all app folders and stuff over this on the other side. Okay. That's the downside of the home screen. You put everything on your home screens here, and it's kind of like iPhone, and I don't like it being like iPhone. So like, if you don't like this here home launcher here, you can just download you some from the Google Play Store. Let's check out the Easy Home. Okay. Let me clear the default homes first, then press home. Choose Easy Home. Here, when you first start out, it also downloads all the apps on the screens here. And you can just simply remove them by it'll remove them off the screen and put them back in the drawer. Like I said, I don't like it download everything on the screen, but it does it here as well. So have an app drawer, you just click on that and you got an app drawer here. And there's no way to, okay, you can have a button on it where you can add apps to your screen there, but there's no way you can customize this screen, I don't believe. I'm not sure. I haven't played with it a lot, but this screen, it has where you can put all your favorite contacts here, and you can open your dial pad here and call logs and contacts here. It's a simple screen. And if you don't like this here, like I said, like these home screens, you can just download you some others from the Google Play Store. Okay. And they have a nice weather widget here. They have several you can choose from. You just long press and select widgets. And let's find the LG ones. Okay, here it is, weather. It's got the 5x2 one and the 5x1 and the 2x1. Okay, and you can choose your wallpapers here. You have several choices. You can go into gallery, wallpaper gallery, live wallpapers, photos, and whatever the apps that supports this. Okay, let's move on to the status bar. Here you have a list of quick launches here. They call it the Q slide. Okay, I have it. You can change the different Q slide settings here by pushing that button, and you can simply drag and replace. You got to hold on to this and drag it into place up here, but when you put one up, it takes ones away so it can fit up there. You only can fit currently 10 up there. And if you want this to show up on your status bar screen, you can just check these, which I have 2 of them checked, and right now I don't have it set up for file sharing, so I uncheck those. And if you're satisfied with what you have up in your status bar, you just click that check mark and it's here, and it took away that file sharing, and it's showing my brightness adjuster here. It's easy to use, and like I said, if you want to remove anything from your lock screen, your status bar screen, then you just swipe to the side if it's not locked in place by an app. Okay, next we're going to go into the recents menu. Now we're in the recents menu here. I have a lot of windows that I previously viewed. Okay, we have two features here, the clear all and the dual window. And here, this little window here on this, if you can see it, it's supported by the dual window. And this here little pin here is that lets you pin a window and leave it. It cannot be closed unless you unpin this here. Okay, I have one pin. I'm going to demonstrate it soon. Okay. It has the same options as cards for me with other Android phones. And you can simply, you don't want to use a card, you can swipe it out as usual. And it also leaves the app open to where you last opened that app, like Play Store here. And let's see, my Google Plus app here. And let's see, let's go into my, did I have another app open? No, let me open up another app. Okay, let me go back. All right, my Gmail is open. Okay. And the other feature is dual window. You can just push dual window and open up apps that it can open that feature. And it already got my Gmail open, and if I say I want to open YouTube, and it's gonna open down there, and it's in dual window. You can multitask. Pretty simple and easy to use. Okay. You have some other choices here. You can choose to expand it here, I believe. And let me see what this one. That one's to take you back to dual window. Okay. Let's go back to there. All right, and you can expand the window you want to view more of. It's still open. You can drag it back down to view your other window that was open. And you want to close it, just hit the X and it'll close it all and go to the one you left open. And let me show you a feature here. I told you I used this here little pin thing to leave a window open. So let's see if it works here. Clear all. And it left the window of the app I left pinned there. The only way to get that clear is to unpin it, and now you can clear it. And also got that little X where you can clear it manually, or like you can swipe the side too. Just hit the X and there you go. Next we'll be talking about the battery life. Okay, let's view some battery life from yesterday's. Okay, yesterday I got 17 hours on, 17 hours and 26 minutes on, and it had 15% left. And that was I took it off the charger about 5:45 that morning, and it's 11:06 p.m. at that time when I took these numbers down. Okay, and I had 4 hours and 41 minutes of screen on time, and that was very impressive. And you know, today it's 5:40 p.m. now. I still have 45%, and let's go into battery usage, and I have 11 hours and 53 minutes on right now, and the screen time is almost 3 hours. I think it's pretty good battery life. It has a 3,000 milliamp battery, and it lasts me pretty much all day. Just imagine if you don't use it that much, it'll probably last you at least 2 days. I haven't tried it yet because I always using my phone. And this, in the battery usage, it has a lot of useful information. It shows the current usage on battery, and it shows the estimated time remaining, and it shows the last 3 hours of usage, percentage use here. And it also shows here everything that's using your battery. And you can stop some of these apps by clicking on stop to help increase your battery life. And it's a graph that shows the battery going down throughout the day. And it shows the current time now. Now we're going to move on to other settings. Okay, now we're into the settings here. These is the tab networks here, where you can adjust airplane mode, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and you can change the data manager here. Whatever your limits are, you can adjust it here. Okay. And you can adjust your call settings here, and you can connectivity, you can share and connect here. Set up your file sharing meeting server and LG Air Drive if you have that account. You got to set that up. And you can even have a mobile hotspot and tethering here. And like I said, your mobile networks here, and you can set up your APN here if you need to. Okay, now we go into sounds and notifications, and you can make some adjustments in your vibration type, and you can have a do not disturb settings here. Well, if you don't want the phone on at a certain hour of the night, you can set it there. And here you can just hide all notifications on a lock screen, or show notifications. And you can set that notifications for each apps here. And you can also change the notification LED for whatever apps, whatever you want, like incoming call, missed call, the messages, missed voicemails, battery charging, and download apps here. And you can access more settings here. You can change the default notifications sound here, and you can have vibration on tap or whatever other sound effects here. And here, this will read off like you have incoming messages that say the new message from whoever and new call from whoever. You can set this here. Have it listed for calls and messages, and you also can have it set for reading messages if you want. Okay, let's go into display. Here, home screen. This is where you can change your home screen, and we went over this a little bit before in a home screen section. We're not going to go over that again. Okay, lock screen, we also went over that too. This here also home touch buttons. Here you can change the color background here, like on this here back, home, and recents menu here. You can change the color to black or white. You press OK. Here you can change the button combination here. Pretty much like it how it is, so I'm not going to add any other features on it right now. This is just simply where you can change it and drag it up to here, and it automatically adds it right down below. If you don't want it, just simply drag it out and it takes it off. I wish it had other features like changing the color of the keys itself. Also here you can change the font type, font size, and whether you want the text to be bold. And also this also can change the display brightness and put on auto brightness, and you can also put it in reader mode. and you can change the auto rotation of the screen and your screen timeout here. Here you have access to more settings, which is you can calibrate this motion sensor here and activate daydream. Now on to general. This is where you can change your keyboard and your text to speech output here and everything else. Language, your native language here. This here where's all the counts you have listed here. Accessibility here. And this here will create the menu view by swiping the home screen bar here. Let's see, swiping. Let's see, yeah. You swipe across the soft keys and it'll minimize your screens. And then you can resize it here. You hit the X to go back. Here, your shortcut keys you can control. You can set your shortcut keys on your buttons on the back of your phone. Your volume up and volume down. You can set it all here, or it's already set where you can just turn it on, the feature there. And you can access the Google services, the security here. You can change whatever the security is here. And also, if you have a quick cover view, you have a cover that has open cover on it. You can turn this on if you're using a quick cover. Here's all your pen settings there. And this also here is also where you control your dual windows. If you don't want the dual windows on, you can turn it off here. And you can manage the phone in here with the other settings, date and time, storage. This here goes into the battery, which I'll explain most of. And here shows the memory of your phone. And here's have your apps. You can back up and reset here. And here's more information about your phone. And you can check your software updates here. Software information. Okay. Right now I'm running Marshmallow 6.0.1. And if you want to check for software updates, just click on there. You can set it to check automatically and auto install if you want to. I don't want it to auto install, I want to do it myself. And that's pretty much it. If you want to go more, like I said, you want to change any settings you want, you just have to go through each one of them and customize it where you want, settings where you want. Just go through it one at a time. It's only way you will learn is to try each one. If you like this video, please like, share, and voice your opinions in the comment section below, and subscribe. And take care, and I'll see you in the next one. I'll be featuring a 1,000 subscriber $150 Amazon gift card giveaway. The only rule is you have to be one of the first 1,000 subscribers to be eligible. That's it. I will then randomly draw a name from the first 1,000 subscribers list, and I will post the winner on the next new video. The winner then will send me their info on how to receive their gift. You can send that info to my channel email on the About Me page section.